Hey Travis, Holzem Food Forest, Abundance, Minnesota. And just gonna make a short little video here. I'm gonna plant a mulberry tree and just show you what I usually do here. Not a big deal really, nothing to it. You dig a hole and you put a tree in, right? But I just put my own mix of soil amendments in the hole with the tree to give it the best chance to thrive. And normally I would not be working without a shirt on, but I'm out in farm country here and nobody is in this house at the moment. They haven't really moved into it yet, and I haven't seen one person since I hear noise in the background, but it's far away. I don't know if you can see over my shoulder how far that farmhouse is. I don't know, can you see it back there? That way, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this around and dig a hole and put a tree in the ground, and yeah. There we go. And we're gonna put this right here. One more thing. Be right back. I'll add more mulch to it later when I go over everything again, but simple. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. See ya.